everybody, it's your girl Jenell, aka mszempressj, back again, and today's video is a itch relief video. So I know when you have locks you got itchy scalp, and we all want to know how to get rid of the itchy scalp for the moment, because you know you always gonna get itchy scalp. I'm bringing you this video today to tell you what I do to get rid of my itchy scalp. So if you'd like to know what I use on my scalp for when it's itchy, then keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new, and hit that thumbs up button as well, and let's get right into the video. So normally when I get an itchy scalp, I know for a fact it's because my scalp is dry, and it's either I just retwisted my hair, or I just interlocked my hair, or gave myself some type of style. So when I do that, I know for a fact that I do get itchy scalp. So what I do at first is I get my spray bottle, water, it's just water in here, and I spray my scalp lightly with the water at first. And I focus more in the areas that I know is really itchy. So like right here, like in the middle area, like right there is always itchy. I like to moisturize that area all the time because that's where it gets more dry, and I don't want it to break. And after I spray my lock with the water, I'm just gonna massage my scalp a little bit, just so I know the water gets into my scalp and my roots. And when you have an itchy scalp, you don't want to itch. You do not want to itch. Don't itch it, because your nails, you don't want to dig up your scalp. Like, you don't want to do that, because that's when you're gonna mess up your hair follicles and raise more skin from off of your scalp, if you understand what I'm saying, right? So you just want to massage, you want to rub, not dig or scratch. You're gonna rub, and you're just gonna massage. And then the one oil that I use on my scalp when I do have an itchy scalp and a dry scalp is tea tree oil. So this is my main oil that I use when I have dry scalp or itchy scalp, is tea tree oil. So I just use this on my scalp alone. I don't use it throughout my locks. I use it on the scalp. This doesn't come in an This doesn't come in an applicator bottle. It comes in a bottle where you just squeeze the tip and it opens. So I gotta use this. I love bottles with applicator caps. So here we go. So now after I've applied the oil to my whole entire scalp, I'm going to massage again. I'm going to massage with my fingertips, not my nails. I'm going to massage with my fingertips, so this way I know I'm penetrating my scalp with the oil. Now the benefits of using tea tree oil is that it prevents dandruff. It helps with dry scalp and dandruff, like I said. It's also good for skin. Yeah. You can also use jojoba oil. You can always use jojoba oil as well. Mix it with the tea tree oil as well. But I ran out of jojoba oil, so I'm just using tea tree oil for the moment. So you can use jojoba oil with your tea tree oil and massage it into your scalp. This way you know the blood is flowing through your head. And this also, it helps you with hair growth as well when you massage the oil into your scalp. It feels so good, and slowly you're gonna feel that itchy feeling going away. Cause I interlocked my hair recently and it was itching me. Like, it was really itching me. So your girl had to oil the scalp, and it was pretty dry as well. So, and that's it. Now when you have a itchy scalp, you know, it doesn't always mean that you have dandruff. It could just mean that your hair is dry, your scalp is dry. So all you have to really do is get your water bottle and spray your scalp lightly and then massage it. And sometimes this may not always be the case. Sometimes you may have a problem, but most times it's because your scalp is dry. One thing I learned with having locks is that you always need to keep your hair moisturized, keep your scalp moisturized, because once you have dry locks and dry scalp, your hair breaks, and you don't want that. I dyed my hair right for my birthday. My birthday was on Sunday the 2nd. No, my scalp is not itchy at all, and you can do this every day or every other day, whichever you please. So I like to do it every day because my head is itchy. It is itchy. Okay, that is it for the video, guys. I know it was really short, but I know we do get our itchy scalp sometimes, and I just want to help you out. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and if you're not already, hit that subscribe button as well. Follow me on all my social media, click the notification bell if you didn't click it yet, so you can be aware of every time when I post my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.